You must have noticed Duo is 风很大 lately. His death is all over every platform. And hey, Trump? He's always 风很大, with everyone debating his new policies. But hold up, what does 风很大 actually mean? Welcome back to 学真上的中文, where we make Chinese slang your secret weapon. So yeah, you're on the right track. 风很大 literally means the wind is strong. But online, it's all about something 刷爆社交媒体, totally taking over the internet. It's like saying, this is blowing up. You know those AI-generated covers that sound too real? Like your favorite singer dropping a song they never actually sang? Yeah, right now, AI 翻唱风很大. 你听过那个最惊艳? AI covers have been blowing up lately. Which one impressed you the most? 最近 Mickey 17 风很大. 你看预告片了吗? Everyone's talking about Mickey 17. Have you seen the trailer? When a movie's everywhere, definitely 风很大. Time to check it out. And wait for it. 酱油冰淇淋风很大. Soy sauce ice cream is trending? Yep, that's a thing right now. Would you try it? Honestly, I'm still on the fence. Quick tip. 风很大 is used as a statement and needs a subject, such as a cafe, topic, meme, or trend. So next time you see something pop up everywhere, just say 风很大. Boom, instant native speaker vibes. Drop your latest obsession in the comments. And if you want more cool Chinese phrases, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. 下次见.